Hey everyone, what's up? Are you tired of seeing that access denied message on your Chromebook? I know it's super frustrating when you just want to check your social media, listen to some music on YouTube, or play a quick game to unwind between classes. It feels like all the fun sites are blocked, right? Well, what if I told you there's a simple way to get around those restrictions? Today, I'm going to share something awesome with you. A list of Rammerhead browser proxy links for 2025. For those who don't know, Rammerhead is a fantastic web proxy that helps you access blocked websites securely and privately. It's like having a secret key to unlock the internet. No more staring at a block screen when you want to visit sites like TikTok, Discord, or even Netflix. So, how does it work? It's incredibly easy. You just use one of the Rammerhead links, and it acts as a middleman between you and the website you want to visit. This hides your activity from the school's network filters, letting you browse freely. It's a total game changer for making your school days a bit more entertaining. Ready for the good stuff? I've gathered a list of 20 working Rammerhead proxy links that you can use right now. I'll be displaying them on the screen, and I've also put the full list in the description box below, so you can easily copy and paste them. Just bookmark a few of your favorites, and you'll always have a backup if one goes down. Remember to use these proxies responsibly. They're great for accessing entertainment and information, but always be mindful of your school's rules. This is all about helping you have a little more freedom during your breaks, not for getting into trouble. So go ahead, try them out, and enjoy unrestricted access to your favorite sites. Say goodbye to those annoying blocks, and hello to a much more open internet. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Drop a comment below to let me know which link worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.